Good afternoon, Center School. My name is Daniel Earhart, and I am the brand new principal of the Center School. See, I got it on my shirt, and there's an ID to prove it. Uh, but yes, I am the new guy. I'm so excited to be here. I've had the last 2 or 3 weeks, I've been able to meet all the students, work with all the staff here, and this is my way to say hello to all of the families of the Center School. Just so you're aware, you are in the presence of a major league YouTube influencer. Not really, but this is what I like to call the Mr. E's Minute. My previous school that I was the principal of, which was the Department of Children and Families Bergen campus, I worked for the state of New Jersey for a little bit. When COVID hit, I needed a way to get in touch with the students, so I started a YouTube channel. You can go into my back catalog on this on this page here, and you can see some old videos. My daughter makes a lot of appearances. Erin, we call her the secretary. So you'll you'll be able to get yourself familiar with the Mr. E's Minute backstory, because it's a very, very expansive backstory. But this is going to be a place for me to kind of highlight some really cool things going on at the Center School every week. I will stick this video into the end of every principal's newsletter, which Dr. Rinaldi had an opportunity to, he dumped that on me as soon as he could. So I will be the author of the principal's newsletter moving forward. And I'm just really excited to be here. I will tell you that I end every Mr. E's Minute with letting you know some national holidays, some like obscure holidays that are observed on whatever day this video will be posted, which is November 20th, 2020. Normally I say at the very beginning of a video. I forgot, but I will do that next time. There's a structure to my Mr. E's Minute. I have to try to get back into the swing of things. And also I like to end it with a joke. So let's go to those holidays and I'll get to the joke. The joke has never been funny. Let's see here. It is Universal Children's Day. This is actually pretty neat. The UN, United Nations, likes to have on every November 20th, they observe Universal Children's Day, which means I think that's a pretty good mission when it comes to a school, right? So I think that's a very cool thing to observe. Also, if I could look here, it is also Future Teachers of America Day on November 20th. Look at that. That is kismet, as we like to say, and which is really, really cool. So all those future teachers out there, we hope to see you in the ranks and hopefully work at the Center School one day. And finally, our joke of the day, and it is this. Did you hear about the ice cream truck that crashed? The driver blamed it on the rocky road. It's not funny. I told you it's not going to be funny, but that is what you're going to be up against when it comes to the Mr. E's Minute. It never really goes a minute, it never really goes past 5 minutes, but I just want to say hello. I'm so excited to be here. I can't wait to meet everybody, and I'm hoping for great things moving forward. So if anybody wants to reach out and say hello, shoot me an email. It is dearhart@center.school, and I will make sure to say hello. But that's that, and I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. Take care.